All right. I just posted a video, but it was way too long, so I'm gonna have to break this up. I got to keep these under a few minutes apiece. So I'm gonna do this day 2, which is domain, range, and end behavior. I'm going to try to break it up into 3 groups. So we'll start with a quick review of slope, intercept form. So if you see these graphs, just so you can see, a linear equation is very often written in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where our slope is equal to, if you remember, and you should, rise over run. We're going to write that as delta y, your change in y, over delta x. A few ways to write that we'll talk about soon. All right. And our b is our y-intercept. All right, so if I was to write that over this equation over here, we'll say f of x, same as y, is equal to mx plus b. Well, in this situation, our slope is 1 over 1, and our y-intercept is also 1. So I start up my y-intercept at 1, I put a dot. My slope says rise up 1, run over 1. So rise up 1, run over 1. I can do this a few times, and I get a line. If I connect the dots, it only takes 2 dots to make a line that looks like that. All right, we get a couple more. We'll do it again. Slope is in front of the variable, y-intercept's alone if you solve for y, and f of x is the same for y. So our slope over here is y equals a rise of 1, a run of 2. Our y-intercept, our starting point, is -3. So we'll put the starting point at -3. We'll go up 1 over 2. We'll go up 1 over 2. We'll connect this line, and that'll be that graph. And a very quick review. Coming over here, do the same thing. Our slope is either -3 over 2. Just because this is high on this graph, we're going to say or +3 over -2. Doesn't really matter where you put the negative. It's the same. And then we'll see our b, our y-intercept is 5. So we'll come up and put a point at our y-intercept. And it doesn't look like I can go up 3 on this graph anyway. So I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use this one right here, which says down 3, 1, 2, 3, and right 2. Let's go again. Down 3, 1, 2, 3, and right 2. And it looks like we get an equation that looks like that. All right. I'm going to pause this, post this separately. That's a really quick review. We'll be back with the rest of this.